Hi friends, recently I made a video about making $2.5 every minute watching Google Ads. And a lot of you have asked me to make a video about typing to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to try a method claimed in a video that you can make $60 per hour by typing, and just want to see if this method really works or not. If you appreciate me doing this type of videos, please go ahead and like this video, and let's go to the first step in this method. If you look at the title of this video, it is earn $80 per hour easily just by typing. Also, it claims that it can make $160 per 2 hours, and also for 3 hours of typing you can make $240. That seems really good. So in the beginning, the method says that you can try typing skills in a website called typingtest.com in order to see how much fast you can type, and also you can get a certificate at the end that can be used for other stages. In this type of website, actually you practice your typing skills, and also with improving your skills in typing and typing fast, you can increase the potential of making money that is explained later in the video. So here it also claims that you can earn $1.25 per minute, and if you work for an hour doing this type of jobs, you can make $75. So I'm going to try this typing test here to see how fast I can type per minute and see if I can get a certificate. Alright, I'm in this website typingtest.com, and I'm going to test my skill to see how much fast I can type it and how many words I can type in a minute. So I go here and click the start test. So let's go. Now it's analyzing my results. I tried to be really fast, but now let's see what my result is. Show your test results. Alright, it tells me that I'm typing 39 words per minute. I mean, a little better than the average. You know, the average typist is 36 words per hour. Another thing we have to consider here is that we need to type 50 words per minute in order to be successful in the next websites that the video suggests to us. So you have to keep practicing with this test here until you reach the point that you are just typing around 50 words per minute. There are different typing lessons here for you, that you can go through them and just improve your typing speed. Okay, now I go to the website that is recommended here, Transcribe Me, as this is shown in the video, that you have to become a freelancer in this website that is start earning from anywhere in the world. So the point is that here it says that it's giving us $15 to $22 per audio hour, okay? And the average is the average earning is around monthly is $250. This is very different from what is claimed in the video that you can earn like $70 per hour, but it says that monthly earning is just $250. So how come you can make $250 per month by earning $70 per hour? It's kind of red flag to me now. So as we can see, this website is different from what the video claimed about earning potential. And now let's go to the next website that the video proposed for making money online. So the next website is rev.com, which is a transcription services website. And here in the video, it claims that you can earn, as it's written here in the website, that you can make $1.5 per minute as a human transcription. And for English closed caption also, you can make 1.5 per minute. And if you just do some math, you can see that if you make like $1.5 per minute for an hour, it could be like $90. And this is even more than what the video claimed, that it's a video claim that you can make like $70 per hour. But the problem is that these amounts here are not for the freelancers, they are for the people who come to this website as customers to have their work done and just get the services here. So in order to understand how much they are paying the transcriptionists, we have to go to the section of the website which is related to freelancers. So here it says that you can earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere, anytime. So you can join here as a freelancer, and it has different benefits like create a flexible work schedule, And also you can choose from hundreds of jobs, and you can get paid weekly through PayPal. And here, if we go down, we can see that for a transcriptionist, you get paid in a range from 30 cents to $1.10 per minute per video minute or audio minute. And as a captioner, you get like 54 cents to $1.10 per audio and video minute. But if you start working as a transcription or a captioner here in the beginning, probably you will get the lower amount, like 30 cents or 54 cents per minute. And this is different from what the video claimed, that everyone can make like $1.25 per minute. So also, if you want to start joining this company and start making money, there are 3 steps. That the first one is that you need to take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. And also you have to submit a transcription or caption sample. And then if you're approved, you can register and start earning money. And also the subtitler, if you know a foreign language very well, you can make like $1.5 to $3 per audio or video minutes. Alright, if this video receives 1,000 likes, I will try making money by this method and show you the proof of income so you can see how much really you can make by working in this Rev website and transcribe me. And also, if you want this kind of videos more, please leave a comment for me and tell me about what type of videos you like me to try. Thank you very much for watching and take care.